everyone, I'm Zari, the Digital Marketing Assistant at Langston. Our organization is proud to host several events and programs with our partners in the Langston Hughes Performing Arts Institute. We know that many of our community members are interested in using our building to create meaningful work, but we also understand that cost can affect making those dreams a reality. So we have a program that lowers the barrier to creating artistic excellence in the Central District. It's called Space in the Place, our free rehearsal platform for Black artists and cultural workers to develop their work, connect with community, and strengthen their craft. We have 2-hour sessions available on select Thursdays from 4 to 8 p.m. There are 2 rooms in the Langston Hughes Performing Arts Institute you can choose from. The West Room, which holds a capacity of 40, or Room 2R, which holds a capacity of 12 to 20 people depending on the setup. You can book a maximum of 2 sessions per month per person or group, with the opportunity to be placed on a wait list if more spots open up. Reservations must be confirmed or canceled by the Friday before your booking date. That way we can properly prepare our staff, adjust administrative planning, and offer the space to others in the community if it becomes available. If there are late cancellations or no-shows, we may pause your use of Space in the Place for a year or charge a $75 fee. We welcome people of all ages to use the space as they best see fit. To ensure a safe environment, alcohol is strictly prohibited. If your activation is geared towards an audience of minors, all minors under the age of 15 must be accompanied by a parent or guardian. If parents or guardians cannot be present, adult supervisors must complete a background check and pay an additional $11 fee per 2 adult supervisors. Minors 15 or older who like to use the space with their peers must have parent or guardian consent, but Langston will provide supervision. Whether you're preparing for a performance, organizing a class, or seeking a creative environment, we hope Space in the Place can help you pursue your projects and artistic endeavors. Visit our website at langstonseattle.org to learn more information and reserve your spot today.